Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Google account onto the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and after you are taken into the home page, you can start your battle immediately by pressing the spacebar key or clicking on the battle option. Now, if you wish to link your Google account with your game progress, then in order to do so, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. From the Settings window, you will need to go into Account, which is the last option at the left menu. Now, within this page, click on View Account alongside Account Center, and now this will show you all of your accounts that you can connect your game with. Just tap on the Bind button alongside Google, and you will now need to choose your Google account or log into it in order to allow access. Click on the Continue button to proceed forward and allow the access. And once your account has been linked, you will see the Bound option underneath Google as well, and the Bind button will disappear. And this now means that your progress has been linked with your Google account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Google account onto the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.